Hello students, welcome back to my channel Bhavyaphysics. Today we are discussing how KCET rank is calculated. So in this video I am going to mention you how KCET rank is calculated. In another 1 month you are going to write KCET, right? So on 16th and 17th of April you are writing KCET. So for that you should know how KCET rank is calculated. You are all aware that this, in order to produce rank, so you are not only giving importance to KCET syllabus, you should also give importance to theory, right? PU board. So 50% is from board, PU board marks, and 50% is calculated from the KCET marks. Okay, so it is calculated like this. Suppose if you get in PU board exam, if you get marks like this, and if in physics if you get 93, and in chemistry 95, and in maths if you get 98, and out of 300, suppose if you get 286, your percentage will be 95.3%. And half of that, 50% of this PU board is 47.66. Similarly, if you get in CET exam, out of 60 marks, if you get 50 in physics, and if you get 45 in out of 60, I'm telling, in chemistry, and out of 60 if you get 53 in mathematics, then the overall marks is 148 out of 180 and your percentage is 82.2%. Half of that, or 50%, is 41.1. Adding these two will get 88.76%. Based on this, your rank will be predicted. Like this, KCET rank will be calculated using both board as well as KCET marks. All the very best students. Thanks for watching.